right now, all over timelines.
Stop prompting, start looping.
The idea is you stop typing tasks into a chat window one at a time, and instead build a system that keeps calling the model for you, on its own, until some condition says stop. Okay, the mechanism, because looping means nothing on its own. Here's what people are actually building. One model plays orchestrator, usually a frontier model, expensive, smart. It doesn't do the grunt work, it delegates.
A cheap local model does the boring execution.
Something like Qwen30B, running on your own machine, no API bill per token. Other roles get split out too. One agent writes, one agent tests. One agent is paid, functionally, to be a jerk about it, adversarial QA.
Adi Osmani's essay is the one that actually named the pieces.
Automations. Triggers, cron jobs, webhooks that kick the loop off. Work trees. Separate Git branches so parallel agents don't step on each other. Skills. Written procedures the agent reads instead of you re-explaining the same thing every session. And memory. A markdown file, progress.md, state.md, that survives between runs. Because the agent itself remembers nothing. Every run starts from 0 unless something on disk tells it otherwise. Boris Cherny's version of this, from inside Anthropic, his job stopped being prompt Claude and became write the loop that prompts Claude for me. Same shift Peter Steinberger describes from the outside. Different angle, same sentence, basically. Nobody hands a loop full autonomy on day one. Cherny's ladder. Suggest only, then draft for a human, then apply with approval, then finally full auto with an audit log. You earn each rung by watching the thing run. You don't just assume it. Now the wins. Real ones, already showing up. People are reporting actual leverage, a system that keeps working after they close the laptop and go to bed. Not a demo, a loop that shipped something while nobody was watching it. The evaluator-optimizer split is the other real win, and it's older than this whole trend. It's in Anthropic's own agent patterns write-up. The model that wrote the code is a bad judge of the code. It's grading its own homework, so you split the grader out. Now the risks. Same weight, same seriousness. Jeffrey Huntley documented this one, the Ralph Wiggum loop. The agent is supposed to say, done, only when it's actually done. Sometimes it says done because it's tired, not because it's finished. And the loop believes it. Because the loop was trusting the agent's own word the whole time, and nothing else was checking. A real stop condition can't be a feeling. It has to be a test suite that passes, a build that succeeds, something the agent can't fake by talking. Nobody says it out loud, but a loop with shell access and no command allow list is just a very fast, very tireless intern with the root password. Unattended loops run for hours. Every iteration is a full model call. The bill doesn't loop politely just because the code does. What we don't actually know yet. Does this hold up over months of real production use, or just over a good demo week? Do people really climb the autonomy ladder rung by rung, or skip straight to full auto because the first run went fine? And is loop engineering a new discipline, or a new name for multi-agent orchestration that's been sitting in a paper the whole time? Filed open, not closed. Ask again in 6 months. If you want to see whether this holds up, that's what the channel's for. Subscribe to Exit Code 1.